The 4-day India Energy Week has come to an end today. The curtains have fallen, and this particular India Energy Week being held at Yashobhoomi in Dwarka in New Delhi saw the participation of over 70,000 delegates. There were 20 foreign ministers and energy ministers from different countries, from some of the key oil producing countries like Qatar, Russia, Venezuela, Tanzania, participating in this 4-day long India Energy Week here in New Delhi. And this particular Energy Week, the third edition of India Energy Week, also saw the participation of 90 CEOs of Fortune 500 companies. There were close to 120 countries, in fact 120 countries to be precise, who participated in this 4-day event. Now, as far as the discussions and dialogues are concerned, it evolved around the idea of sustainable, clean, green energy alternatives, the focus being on renewables and also a lot of collaborations that are going to happen. A lot of strategic agreements and MOUs have been signed during the 4 days, and today being the last day of the event. Here we have the stalls of NRL, Oil India. On the other side here, we have ONGC participating, Reliance Industries, Adani Group, Petronas, ExxonMobil, some of the leading energy companies all were present here at the Energy Week. And as far as the agreements and MOUs are concerned and the future of energy is concerned, of course, India trying to establish itself as one of the market leaders, as one of the thought leaders as far as energy space globally is concerned. Multiple strategic agreements and MOUs were signed during the 4 days to enhance energy security, diversifying supply sources, and fostering innovation in the field of oil and gas sector. As part of the efforts to diversify crude oil imports, BPCL signed an optional term contract with Petrobras of Brazil to import up to 6 million barrels of crude. So there were other MOUs also signed by IOCL with ADNOC of United Arab Emirates. It was a $7 billion contract to source 1.2 MMTPA liquefied natural gas or LNG for 14 years starting 2026. BPCL and ADNOC entered into a 5-year LNG offtake agreement for 2.4 MMT. All of these things focus primarily being on clean, green, sustainable energy alternatives. And the tagline of this year's India Energy Week has been reimagining energy in India for the world. Now, it has been a very successful 4 days as far as the India Energy Week 3rd edition is concerned here in New Delhi. Like I mentioned, this place was absolutely buzzing. As you can see, today being the closing day, even now there's a lot of activity going on. People attending most of the stalls here, looking at the future of energy in India and globally. In fact, there were a lot of interesting things which were on display, which were being showcased by several of the companies, including HPCL and BPCL. There's this gas cylinder ATM, very interesting concept from BPCL. HPCL coming up with an ethanol conversion engine for 2-wheelers and 4-wheelers to make prices of fuel for your vehicles cheaper. A lot of technology innovations that is being seen here. A lot of projects under trial will be commissioned soon. A lot of interesting, innovative ideas that most of the companies, the energy companies of India and globally, are looking at. Everything were on display this time round. With camera person Deepak Chaurasia, Oinitam Ojha in New Delhi for Northeast Live.